Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today's review is about this super cute, amazing nursery trampoline from the brand Galt. They have this in a unicorn version and in a turtle version. So I bought the turtle version for my daughter for a Christmas gift. She absolutely loves it. She is 19 months old and she loves bouncing on it. It perfectly fits her size. Her hands can perfectly hold the handle and she can slowly bounce on it. She got to get used to it a little bit. It's also for older kids, for 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds. It's just a perfect first beginner's trampoline for toddlers. And what I absolutely love about this trampoline, at the moment it is winter time, so we can have it indoors, but it is also completely waterproof. So you can just take it outside in your backyard or on your balcony, and your child can also bounce outside. This whole thing is made out of plastic. So you can just wipe it off if it gets dirty, if your toddler puts some chocolate stains or anything on it. Everything is plastic and you can just easily just wipe it off. And this the legs are metal, so this is also waterproof, and these stands are also made out of plastic. And the super good thing is that if you want to just take it to a friend or to your family, you can take easily this handle off and you can take the legs off super quick, and then you have a super easy storage for this trampoline. So why should you buy your toddler a trampoline? So benefits are definitely that they learn to have a great coordination. It's just good for body movement. If your toddler is a little couch potato and they don't really want to walk or run or do any sports and activities, then this is perfect for them to just bounce and just get their confidence in bouncing on a trampoline up. And it's just a great toy for to be active. I'm going to show you now how you can just take the legs off and take this handle off. That you can see this is super easy and super quick. Also, it took us maybe 10 minutes to build this whole thing together. It was just this frame that we had to wrap around, and this is just easy, simple, done with Velcro, so super simple. You can also put this down, then this is not in the way, but everything just works super simple, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so first I'm going to show you that you can just super simple take the handle off. You just got to untighten the screws, and then you can just take the handle off super fast. So if your toddler is super good in bouncing, then you can just maybe also just leave it off. But these things are coming out, so that's maybe not the best idea. So, but this is super simple for storage. Then you can just take this whole thing around off. It has a little button that is right here. So you just open the button, and then you can actually take this whole frame off, as you can see. And then you just have to just have this under it, and then you can also take the legs off with just a little screw right here in the back. Okay, so I just turn it around for a better demonstration. So here are all these little buttons. This one I opened, and then you can take this whole frame off that is around it. You can just open all these buttons, and these are just tightened with a screw, so you just need a screwdriver, and you can easily and simple take these legs off. I'm going to flip it back around and tell you a little bit more about the trampoline right now. Okay, so I put everything back together, and now I just want to show you this little note it has right here. It said that it is a maximum of 20 kilos on the trampoline. So my daughter is 19 months, I would say she's about 11 kilos, but she's thin, so she's like kind of skinny girl, so she can use this for a while. I think 20 kilos is probably with 5 or 6 years, I guess. So that is 44 pounds. So yeah, your kid can definitely use this for a while. Only one user as usual on trampolines, and adult supervision required, and is suitable for indoor and outdoor. So that is amazing. If you have a nice backyard, just take it outside and let your toddler jump in the backyard on this trampoline. I love the style. I love this little cute turtle right here, the turtle face. I think this is cute for boys and girls. It doesn't need to be always pink for girls. That's why we chose the turtle and not the unicorn, but I think the unicorn is super cute too. Yeah, so as I said, if your kid is not really active and they just want to sit around and maybe do puzzles and look at some books, that is great, but they need to get a little bit more active in their young age. So this is definitely a great thing to have, and this is super soft. It's not like it doesn't go down super deep, so your toddler is not gonna sink in. It can like, it's for bouncing and jumping a bit, but it's definitely made for toddler size and not for grown people or for bigger kids. It is yeah, just a great toy for little kids. Okay, so I just put the trampoline aside. It's a little messy here because my husband is cutting wood here. It's right next to our little sandbox we have here, so this fits perfectly in our backyard, and she can jump on it if it gets a little warmer, and it can rain on it, and it can snow on it, and it's gonna last, and yeah, everything's gonna be fine with it since it's waterproof. I also want to mention that it is super good for your kids' coordination and balance. Trampolines in general help your balance develop, and kids in the young age should definitely do something like this to increase their balance. Okay, so I hope that you're going to buy this amazing trampoline for your toddler. Buy it as a gift, buy it as a birthday gift, Easter gift, next year Christmas, whenever you want to. It's a great gift for big and small kids, ages 1 and older. And I hope that you like this review. Thank you for watching this video.